न्यू MAM इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल में एकेडमिक ईयर 2026 से 27 के लिए इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी का शानदार एहतमाम किया गया। इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी सिर्फ लीडरशिप के बैज पहनने का नाम नहीं बल्कि जिम्मेदारी कबूल करने, दूसरों को इंस्पायर करने और ईमानदारी के साथ रहनुमाई करने का नाम है। इस यादगार तकरीब में स्कूल के चेयरमैन जनाब MA नजीब साहब ने नए स्टूडेंट काउंसिल के मुंतखब अरकान के नामों का ऐलान किया। इस मौके पर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर फैजा नजीब मैडम और प्रिंसिपल शेख चांद पाशा साहब भी मौजूद रहे और नए स्टूडेंट लीडर्स की दिल से हौसला अफजाई की। जैसे ही नए लीडर्स ने अपने बैजेस और सैशेस हासिल किए, उन्होंने ईमानदारी, डिसिप्लिन, खिदमत और बेहतरीन किरदार के साथ अपनी जिम्मेदारियां निभाने का अहद किया। यह सिर्फ ओहदों की तकसीम नहीं थी बल्कि जिम्मेदारी, एतबार और लीडरशिप की रूह को अगली नस्ल तक मुंतकिल करने का एक यादगार लम्हा था। इस मौके पर तमाम नए मुंतखब स्टूडेंट लीडर्स को दिल से मुबारकबाद पेश की गई और उन्हें हिम्मत के साथ रहनुमाई करने, मोहब्बत और खुलूस के साथ खिदमत अंजाम देने और हर शख्स के लिए एक बेहतरीन मिसाल बनने की नसीहत की गई। न्यू MAM इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल में सिर्फ तालीम नहीं दी जाती बल्कि मुस्तकबिल के जिम्मेदार, बाकिरदार और बासलाहियत लीडर्स तैयार किए जाते हैं। न्यू MAM इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल में एकेडमिक ईयर 2026 से 27 के लिए एडमिशन्स ओपन हैं। गुलबर्गा शहर के मलगत्ती रोड MAM टाउनशिप में वाक़ न्यू MAM इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल का विजिट कीजिए और अपने बच्चों का एडमिशन आज ही करवाइए। ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर रब्ता करें।
We extend our heartfelt congratulations and best wishes. May they lead with wisdom, serve with humility, inspiring through their actions, and uphold the name and value of New MAM International Public School with pride and honor. With this spirit of leadership and service, let us begin this memorable journey together. Thank you.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان.
So first of all, this is a Investiture Ceremony. I would like to welcome all the students, teachers, and Administrator Faiza ma'am and Principal. Just remember, this Investitures is not just a voting pattern. It's overall performance of the year, studies, sports, attendance, behavior. Election pattern is just 30%. Remaining, just remember all the students. You have to be overall performance, academically, sports, and discipline. Okay.
I, as a student leader of New MAM International Public School, pledge to carry out my duties with honesty, discipline and dedication. Your captains have already been selected and the house masters are also finalized, but only thing is how the captains and the house masters help you bringing your house to the higher peak or to its pinnacle. You know what is the meaning of pinnacle? Sections. Pinnacle means what? We have named it as a pinnacle, but what is the meaning of pinnacle? Peak of achieving the peak of something, right? So I hope the coming academic year your house cherish and your captains, vice captains, all the leaders including your house master contribute their services and render their duties properly to bring your house to to the highest position and win the trophy for this current academic year. So I wish all the students and selected captains, vice captains and pupil leader a very successful year ahead, and hope house masters contribute their services to their respective house, to bring this every student forward and give equal opportunity to every student belonging to the house. See that no student is left behind in participating in the activities, whether they lose or win, that's the secondary thing, but make sure each and every child of your house participate in the coming activities along with the house masters. It is the major responsibility of captains and the vice captains. See that your house children, your house students, your other subordinates participate in all the activities, whether they are academic, non-academic, curricular, extracurricular, co-curricular, whatever activities going to be conducted in the academic year. Make sure that you are accessible to everyone, you are reachable to everyone. Listen to all the students. If there is any student who has a concern related to his participation in the activities, resolve their issues at your level. If the issues are not being resolved, meet the house masters to resolve the queries. If the issues are not resolved there, you can meet the PT teachers for such activities and their resolutions. So I congratulate all the students. Hope your leadership bring good laurels to the house you belong to, and all the pupil leaders, captains, vice captains, you bring good name to the institution. Thank you, all the best, and have a good day.
I thank everyone to choose me, and I will make sure that I will use this position to make this school a better place for everyone. As we come to the close of this investiture ceremony of the academic year 2026 to 2027, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Muhammad Abdul Najib Sir and our respected Administrator Faiza Naeem Ma'am for gracing this occasion with their esteemed presence and inspiring words. My sincere thanks to our beloved Principal Sheikh Chand Pasha Sir for his constant guidance and encouragement, and to all our respected teachers and dear parents for their unwavering support and blessing. A special word of appreciation goes to everyone who contributed to the success of today's ceremony. On behalf of the newly elected Student Council, I thank the school management for the trust placed in us. We assure you that we will carry our responsibilities with sincerity, dedication, and integrity. Once again, thank you all for making this occasion truly memorable. Thank you.